at this. Wow, this is pretty open here, guys. Let me span here quickly so that you can see the open floor plan. I like the use of this furniture here. Lots of seating arrangement there. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you tuned in today because we're gonna tour this beautiful new home community in Southwest Las Vegas, and this is at KB Homes Landings at Copper Ranch. Let's take a tour of this beautiful home, and please don't forget to subscribe down below so that you will see my daily post of home tours. Let's do this. Let's tour together. All right, guys, this is the home, KB Homes. Two-story. As you can see, they have two-car garage, and they have this nice pavement here, right? And then this is the community, guys. All right, let's check this home. This is a pretty good size home for those that doesn't need too much home, and those that are downsizing also. Look at this, plan 1590. Let's do this. Knock, knock.
Front door.
Ooh, it smells so good. Also, it is so bright here. And here are your options displayed on this model, guys. And they said they have a total of 300 lots available for release. Look at this. Wow, this is pretty open here, guys. Let me span here quickly so that you can see the open floor plan. I like the use of this furniture here. Lots of seating arrangement there, right? Nice open floor plan. I believe this is the garage, which I don't think we have the ability to open, but let's check. Oh no, it's a half bathroom. See how it's so convenient? Right after opening the door of the house, the left side already has this half bathroom here. Right? Very convenient. And then I think this one is a coat closet. Yes, it is. Now, where's the entrance to the garage? It may be in the kitchen. Let's check out this kitchen. Ooh, love this kitchen, guys. Right? Nice cabinetry here. This is a huge counter here, and I like the use of the white cabinets. Comment down below, guys, what color of countertop do you normally prefer? I just wanted to get some feedback, and also what kind of cabinetry do you normally like? All right, I believe this might be the entrance to the garage, which they normally close, but we can try. Yeah, they normally close it. And then, what is this? Let's open. Ooh, your pantry. Right? It's not the biggest, but at the same time, it is appreciated that you have that kind of pantry area there. All right, let's check out what's happening in the backyard. It's quite windy today, guys, and also it's very cloudy. First time ever that I've seen it's cloudy. Look at the clouds. It's going to rain here in Vegas. And we appreciate that there is this kind of rain because it is very hard that with Lake Mead, right? As you can see, guys, Lake Mead is getting lower, so we need some rain. But this is your Backyard. Again, guys, you can upgrade this to a lot premium between $5,000 and $10,000, and they told me that the $10,000 will give you a pretty good full-size lot. So don't worry if this is a little small for you. You can definitely have a bigger lot than this because they have lot premiums that you can buy. And if I have to buy, I would definitely get that $10,000 because in the future, if you ever plan to have a swimming pool at your backyard, you'll be able to put it without any hardship in terms of the space. See how there are a lot of wind here, guys. So let's go inside because I don't want to smell or get the sand effect there. All right, I'm standing here from this side of the dining area. Right. All right, let's go up and check out what's happening upstairs. All right, definitely, if you want, you can upgrade this, guys. And they said it's between 8 to 10% of the base price when people try to upgrade their newly built home. All right, this is your secondary bedroom. Let's see how there's a lot of developments here in the southwest area, guys. And this is your closet for, I think it's your baby boy, right? Look at that. They stage it as if you have a son. All right, let's go to the other secondary bedroom. Ooh, this is nice. They stage it a little bit differently. And they have this huge window here. And this is for your baby girl. Right, the color. Okay, let's check out what's happening on this side. Right, before we go on that side, I am seeing a laundry area. This is a pretty nice area, meaning it's a pretty good size laundry area here. You still have your things that you can put there. All right, what's happening here? Okay, so this is the shared bathroom. Look, guys. Right, pretty standard, but definitely you can upgrade this to a nice style in the while you're building the house if you want to. But the the flooring is already good. I think it's pretty nice already. All right, I'm seeing a desk there. Right, this is the desk for your office if you're working at home, or maybe like a study area for your kids. And this, I guess, is your owner's bedroom. It's actually a pretty good size owner's bedroom. It's quite windy there. Look at the clouds, guys. Right? Those are the clouds. It's about to rain, which we badly need here in Vegas so that we can get some water in the lakes. All right, let's check out your owner's bathroom. All right, this is your owner's bathroom, guys. It's pretty spacious. Definitely spacious. Now, I would definitely ask the builder if they can put a door here, but it's pretty tight. See how it's only probably 1 feet from this wall here, so it's probably tight to put a door there. That's why they didn't put a door to separate your toilet area. This is this is a pretty nice size for this square footage of a house. Yeah, this is a pretty good size closet for this square footage. All right, here guys, double sink. Always nice to have double sink so that you don't have to fight over one sink. And this is your shower area. You know, guys, comment down below if, for example, you already have one bathtub in the house. Would you prefer this to a walk-in shower? For me, I would prefer this to be in the walk-in shower and make it like have a nice tile there and a nice glass enclosure. Well, the good thing also is you have this massive linen closet here. Yeah, it is massive. All right, that is your owner's bathroom. And then again, this is your owner's bedroom. It's a pretty good size owner's bedroom here, guys. And definitely, if you want, you can upgrade the carpet as well so that you will have an easier time cleaning it. Let's go back to the main area. And the reason why I'm filming this, guys, while I'm going down is that so that you can have a feeling of how it goes down. Even though we're done with the second floor, I wanted to show how you go down into the house. That's why I'm still filming this right now while we're going down. All right, this is your main living area. One more time. I like the use of really large triple windows here, guys. That's very much appreciated. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and for always continuing to support this channel. We are growing. And also, by the way, I just wanted to inform you, I talked to the builder and they told me that they are offering some closing costs. So if you want to take that opportunity, please let me know down on the comments below. And also, I'd like to hear your feedback. What do you think of this home, guys? I wanted to get some feedback. So please feel free to comment down below. I really appreciate your support to the channel, for subscribing and liking this video. See you on the next video tomorrow. Thanks a lot and have a great day.